Okay, welcome to part one, section two. This is um, going to add to what we've already been doing. We are going to continue on with um, some of our editing here. First, we're going to learn how to insert some graphics. So you should have downloaded the pictures that I posted inside of um, Blackboard. So we're going to use those pictures now. When you're on the first slide, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to Insert, and we're going to click on the pictures icon, and then wherever you have saved that, you're going to find it, like I'm finding mine here. And the one we want to select here is the one that says Skyline. Double click on it, and it will come into the first slide. And don't worry about it covering up everything right now. We'll do a lot of changing to this and moving it around. Now we want to resize it. So where we're going to go to resize it is we're going to click on the Format tab, which it already is in this case, and we'll click over here on the height. We're going to change the height to 3, and then we're going to change the width to 4.43. So we'll click in here and make it 4.43. And then you click outside of there, and that's now changed its width. Okay, going on, we're going to go down to now slide number 4. On slide number 4, we're going to go to Insert and Picture. And the picture we want on slide number 4 is the handshake picture. So we find the handshake picture, which I am still finding here, right here, and we insert it. We'll move it down below the text, and we'll leave it right there for the moment. Then we'll go down to slide number 5. On slide number 5, there's actually an icon here. When we made this 2-column, it allowed us to have these icons. So we click on the picture icon. And for slide number 5, we want the attire picture. So we'll look for attire right here. We don't need to format this one because it's already shaped to the right shape. I need to go back to the previous slide. We forgot to format the size of this one. We'd like this one 4.5 by 3. So we'll go up here, change this to 4.5, and change this one to 3. Okay, so now that one's formatted correctly. This one is already formatted for us. Going on to slide number 6, we're going to click on the icon and do the directions one. So looking for directions right here, already formatted for us. So we'll go on to slide number 7. And here we're going to click on the icon, and we're going to select the thumbs up picture. So thumbs up, already formatted. Going on to slide number 8. Slide number 8 does not have the icon, so we'll have to hit the Insert tab and the Pictures. And this one right here is going to be Customer Service. Double click on it. All right, so that one we'll have to change to 3 by 4.51 inches. So 3 for the height and 4.51 for the width. And we'll just slide it down just a little bit below for the moment. And then going on to slide number 9. On slide number 9, also have to insert. So we'll insert a picture. And on this one, we're going to insert unhappy guest. This awesome looking lady here. And we'll change its size to 4 by 6. So 4 by 6. Okay, so now she's changed. Then slide number 10. On slide number 10, we go with the room service picture. So we'll go to Insert, Room Service, right here. And we'll resize that one to 4 by 4. So 4 by 4. Okay, so now that one's resized. Slide 11. We're going to click on, this one has an icon. So we'll click on the icon and we'll click the team picture for slide 11. So team picture, or paper, sorry. Second, it's the team picture. I got this one right here. Happy people. Okay, going on to slide number 12. On slide number 12, we're going to insert the survey picture. So insert picture survey right there. And that one will resize to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. Okay, and let's drag it down here to the right corner. That'll be useful to us here in a little bit. All right, and then we'll go on to slide number 14. So we'll skip slide 13 and the icon. For slide 14, we're going to do the team picture one, which is our team paper. Gosh, I'm saying the wrong words here. Anyway, we'll resize that one to 4 by 6 inches. So that one does need resized 4 by 6. Okay, with that one resized, we'll go back to slide number 2 here. And what we want to do on slide number 2 is we're going to insert some art graphic. Okay, so since we already have text here, we're going to convert this text to smart art, and the smart art we're going to select is this arrow one. It's called continuous block process. So we'll select it, and then we'll go on to slide number 5. And this one right here, sorry, just a second, let me go to the right side, slide number 3, not 5. This one right here, we're going to also do some smart art. So we're going to convert to smart art. Only we'll go to more smart art, and we'll go to the relationship option and scroll down to find right here equation. So we'll select equation, and now that's written in the form of an equation. Customers plus service equals customer service. Okay, so there's that part. Next, we're going down to slide number 13. On slide number 13, we're going to insert a star here. So we're going to go up to the Insert tab. And then here, you're going to go into the shapes and go down to the stars and banners. And we're going to select this 5-point star. Now we have to come over here. We're going to left click and hold and drag until our star is created. Okay, and it's blue right now. We're going to change this color later, so don't worry about that. All right, slide number 15 now. All right, so here, you know what? We're not going to do this slide, so don't worry too much about this one. Okay. We're going to head back up to slide number 4. We'll select the picture, and what we're going to do is we're going to click the Format tab and go over to the alignment, and we're going to align center, and well, that's where we want it. Okay. So what we're going to do with this picture is we're going to make it a hyperlink. So we'll go to the Insert tab and click on Hyperlink. Now you'll remember we did slide 1 to slide 4 earlier, so now we're going to go from slide 4 to slide 1. So we'll place in this document, slide 1, and click OK. Now that's going to take us back to slide number 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go up to slide 1. It will work, trust me. So now here, we're going to take the picture and move it down to the right. What we want to do is go to the View tab. We're going to click on Grid Lines. We want to be able to see those. And then we're going to click inside where Customer Service is. Go up to where the line is. You'll see a 4-arrowed line. Left click and hold it, and drag that up near the top of the slide. And then click down here where the bottom wording is. Go to where the line is and move that down to where it's about a 1/2 inch from the bottom. You can see a 1/2 inch over here. When you're on it, you can tell that these are a full inch, right? So about halfway down, you can see the red line over here to the side. Anyway, that's where we want that to be. All right, now we're going to move the picture over here in between. Put it there. We're going to go to the format. We're going to align this center, and we're going to align it middle. So center middle. Don't worry about it covering up the words. That won't be an issue for us. Okay. Now with the picture highlighted, what we're going to do is come up here to the picture styles group, and we're going to select this one right here, the beveled oval black. We're going to select that one. then what we want to do is we want to change the title to bold. So we're going to highlight all of it, go up to on the Home tab, go up to the bold and click on bold. So now it's all bolded. We're also going to click right behind staff and hit enter to separate it from the customer service expectations part. We're going to highlight customer service expectations, go into the format section. We're going to go into the text effects and down to where it says transform. Under follow path, we'll go all the way to the right and select the button. With that selected, we can now take our box, left click it, and drag it down to fit just above the picture. And we now have that situated the way that we want it to look. Okay. Moving back now to slide number 4, we're going to select the picture and we're going to go into the format section and we will go into just a second here, artistic effects, and we want, one second, that's not where I want to be. It's the color down tab. Yeah, that's the one. We want to change the color saturation to 400%. So we select saturation 400%. Going down now to slide number 8, we have the picture of the woman. We dragged it down below the wording, and we're going to center it. So she's aligned centered. And then we're going to click down where we typed our type box before. We're going to click, see the double arrow there? We're going to left click and drag it to where the box is the same size as the wording. And then what we want to do is we want to move it over and beneath Sasha here. And of course, we're going to center it too because format, align, and then center so that it's directly below her. Now we also want to make it kind of match the picture. So we're going to add in a text effect. And we're going to make it glow. And the glow we want is this one right here, the glow 5-point accent 5 color. So now it matches the picture color there. That one. Okay. So now that we've done that, we're going to go to slide number 9. Angry woman. And we're going to align center. So click on the picture, format, align, center. Now moving on, we're going to go to, we want to delete here this checkout at. Just have an unhappy guest is all. Okay, so then go down to the next slide, slide number 10. And what we want to do here is on slide 10, we're also center it. Click on it, format, align, center. Go into the next one. That one's fine. We'll go down to slide number 12. And here, what we'll do is we're going to click in the wording and we're going to grab the little box and we're going to move it over here somewhere around that far is fine. Maybe a little further just to even out there. Looks a little better there. So now what we want to do is click on the picture and you see this like this circle arrow thing. If you left click on it, what you can do is you can rotate it. So we like to rotate it left a little bit. And then we're going to drag it and move it up into this area here. So it looks more like that. Okay, so that was slide number 12. Slide number 13, we'll click on it. And we'll click on the star. And this time we're going to change its color. So we'll click on the format. And we'll click on the shapes and styles. We want this one, the gold accent 4. So that's the color of the star now. Okay, now that's it for now. Give me a second. We'll stop here for part 1, section 2 of our first videos, and we'll have another video here soon.